I want you to imagine this weekend. You cut out early on a Friday, get on board your boat with your family and closest friends. You're underway and running at 34 knots. An exhilarating experience, one that gives you butterflies in your stomach. In 2 hours' time, you've reached the crystal clear waters of the Bahamas. This is that point where you truly feel detached from work. You have a fantastic weekend, one that you talk about later with those who weren't there. Swimming, snorkeling, taking the kids out on the jet ski, fantastic meals, a cold beer or a cocktail. These couple days become a lasting memory. Sunday, late afternoon, you're heading to your home port, relaxed and recharged, ready to get back to work. Can any boat help you achieve this type of experience? Only a few yachts can. The 102 CCN Flying Sport is one of them. The 102 CCN is a very fast express motor yacht capable of cruising at 35 knots with a top end of 40. When you step on board, you feel the quality of the build. It has a nearly 24-foot beam, giving it not only great interior volume, but fantastic exterior spaces for relaxing and socializing. Stepping up to the aft deck, we have an expandable teak dining table which can accommodate 8. Just after that is a spacious sunning area. When you step down to the swim platform, we have a large hydraulically actuated garage which can accommodate both a tender and a jet ski. Stepping in from the aft deck into the salon, we have the day head off to port and the entrance to the chef's galley to starboard. This area is really nice because it has fine Italian leather accentuating the bulkheads and overhead. Moving further into the salon, we have a nice settee off to port. On the opposite side is a cabinetry with storage and a TV that raises electronically. Further forward, we have a lower helm with a state-of-the-art Simrad electronics package. And then just after that is a captain's cabin with an in-suite head, something that's kind of rare for a boat this size. From the salon, you enter a spiral staircase that goes down to the lower accommodations. Just immediately aft, we have the master stateroom and the main passageway. Entering into the master stateroom, you can really feel the beam of this boat. There's plenty of storage, as well as the in-suite head with shower. Stepping back into the passageway, we have further guest accommodations. One stateroom with split bunks and a Pullman, and the opposite with a full-size berth. Each stateroom has an in-suite head with shower. Moving further forward, we have a spacious VIP stateroom, which rivals the master on many other yachts, with in-suite head and shower. Entry into the galley is through the stairwell in the aft part of the salon. This is a chef's galley with tons of countertop space, wine chiller, oven, and refrigeration. There's also a small settee for crew, as well as the laundry. Stepping back outside, we have wide walkarounds that lead you up to the foredeck area. There we have a large settee, as well as sun pad area, and your ground tackle and windlass. Back on the aft deck, The stairwell will lead you up to the Flybridge. Here we'll find a large sun pad aft, using the full width of the Flybridge, as well as a barbecue, wet bar, fridge, and ice maker. Just after the Flybridge helm station, we have a large dining table capable of accommodating 8, as well as a aft-facing TV that's electronically raised. As you've seen, the CCN 102 has many great spaces on board for relaxing and entertaining. But the performance of the yacht is a feature that cannot be understated. Her twin MTU 16V2000 M96L engines, with 2,600 horsepower each, paired with C-Rex surface drives, push her to a maximum speed of 40 knots. She's also equipped with twin 45 kW generators, as well as a Seakeeper 26 gyro stabilizer for total comfort underway. For further information or to schedule a showing, please contact me anytime.